what is this? Ano to? Who is this?
Emma.
Yes, anong name niya?
Oh, his name is Fisher.
Yes, it's Nemo.
Nemo.
Yeah, si Nemo siya. Oh, ano tong mga to, bebe? Bubbles niya, no?
And I love
Oh,
water.
kita mo yan?
Mommy, why is the fish love water?
Yes, nasa water siya. May bubbles siya, oh.
Yes.
Oh, ano tong mga to? Yes, ano tong mga to? Ha? It's? Ano yung mga yan?
Letters.
Yeah. Big letters yan, ha? Big. Okay po. At nandito ang mga small letters. Yes. Oh, ang gagawin mo ay, kukuha ka dito ulit. Parang yung dati, kukuha ka siya, tapos ilalagay mo siya ganyan, ha? May sticker dito. Okay po?
Okay.
Okay, game.
Okay.
Kuha ka. Oh, what letter is that?
C.
Z. Oh, asan yung letter Z dyan? Hanapin mo nga. Yung, yes.
Wait the way I open this. Wow.
Wow. Oh, asan yung asan ang big letter? Z. Yes. Very good. Careful lang. Next.
Okay.
Kuha ka ulit ng letter. Huwag ka na pili.
Wow.
Oh, what letter is that? It's? Patingin na ka? Patingin? Oh, ganyan yan. Oh, what letter is this? F. Yes, small letter F. Oh, asan yung big letter na F dyan? Asan yung big letter na F? Oh, hold mo na to. Oh, asaan? Hanapin mo nga ang big letter F. Kung alam na niya. Asan si Mommy F?
Mommy F. I am a baby F.
Yes, you're holding her baby.
Yes.
Yeah, F.
Okay.
Oh, asan yung Mommy F?
I don't know.
F. You don't know F? Umutan mo na, no? Oh, ganito yung letter F, oh. F. Oh, ganyan yung F. Ay, nakalimutan na naman niya. Ang tagal na naman kasing hindi Yes. Yan yung F. Oh, asan yung baby F? Yan.
This is square.
Oh. Oh, yung tamang ano. Can I see? Yan, very good. Next letter. Next letter.
Next.
Oh, what letter is that?
I.
Can I see? Can I see? Very good. Oh, where's the mommy niya? Asan ang mommy niya? Yes. Very good. Yeah, mommy niya yan kasi small yan. Baby pa siya. Baby
I am a baby I. You are mommy I.
Yes po. Very good.
Let's go
Yes.
here.
Oh, more? Oh, what baby is that? What baby letter is that? What is that?
X.
Very good. O, asan ang mommy niya? Asan ang big letter X?
Okay, like that.
Yes. O, asan? Oh, very good. Lagay mo na sa mommy niya kasi hinahanap na siya ni mommy niya. Coming. Come. Kahit ano dyan. Oh, next is, ako na bibigay sa'yo, ha. Oh, this one. What is that? What baby is that?
You.
No, it's double?
W.
Very good. Oh, saan si W dyan?
W.
Ito yung mukha niya, ha. W. Ganyan. Yan. Kahirap nyo hanapin. Kakalimot ka, ah.
Yes. Blue. Yes. Stay right here.
Oh, tingnan mo yung face niya. Baka ano. Oh, not like that. Ganyan. Very good. Oh, what baby is this?
Wait.
Oh, test this.
It's baby.
Oh, anong letter yan? Nasa name mo yan?
My name
First letter mo yung name mo.
is
Hmm?
you.
No. It's letter D.
D.
Oh, asan yung D dyan?
Yes. Wait.
D? Yes.
Mommy, that's not my name.
Yes, sabi ko nga, di ba? That's your name.
My name
Oh.
is Pawawas.
Oh, tingnan mo yung baby D. Small letter D. Oh, tingnan mo.
This.
Oh, tingnan mo yung ano niya. Oh, very good. Oh, this one, what letter is this? Oh, look lang, kunin mo na.
Okay.
Oh, what letter is that?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's like it's
Oh, asan ang mami niya?
like a triangle.
Yes po. Anong letter yan? Kalimutan na naman niya. V. Oh, asan yung mami niya?
I got you.
Asan ang ano niya? Big letter V. Opo. Oh, dikit mo na.
Okay. This one is already made. See? It worked.
Ha? Tama? Okay. Oh, dikit mo na.
We glue in here. Maybe.
Very good. Oh, this one, what letter is this? It's? Alam mo yan. What letter is that? No, anong letter yan? What letter is that?
You.
Very
The
good.
picture is some.
Opo, yan ang anak niya, you. Opo.
So it's one.
Yan ang baby. O, asan yung ano niya, mami niya? O, asan yung mami niya?
That's a mommy. Here it is.
Very good.
That's a mommy.
Opo.
I am a cute mommy.
Yan, go.
This one.
Oh, this one?
Now is what is that?
Oh, ano yung ano? Anong letter yung teeth?
That's
Letter?
Water.
Anong letter yung teeth? Yes,
T.
anong letter?
T.
T. Oh, ano isan yung T? Asan yung T dyan? Letter T? Yes, very
That's our
good.
mom.
Opo.
Wait, sticker under mommy.
Tanggal mo na?
Yes.
Oh, lagay mo na.
I got it. Ouch. Okay, now.
Very
The bag
good.
warrior.
Oh, what letter is this? Orange.
Where is
Oh, sinabi mo na yun kanina. What letter is that?
That's the name.
No. Look ano, oh. Oh. Oh, ganyan. What is that? What letter is this? Magkaiba sila, oh. Look, oh. Baliktaran. It's letter?
It's letter
Oh, what letter is this?
B.
P.
B.
Sinabi mo na kanina, eh.
I was
Oh,
wrong.
go.
I said
This is letter T. T. Ito D. Ito P.
I go wrong.
Yes.
This one is down now.
Yes, yan nga yun. Ito sinabi mo kanina, P. Yan yun.
That's right.
Yeah, it's raining.
Oh.
Oh, go na.
Did they trick us?
Oh,
Oh no.
what happened?
Oh.
Tanggalin mo lang dito.
Yes.
Oh, hawak mo na.
It is.
Yan na, oo.
No, hey.
O, asan mami niyan?
Oh, cheese. Oh, cheese. Mommy, ouchie.
What letter is that? Ah?
P.
Yes. O, put mo na.
This one.
What letter is this?
S.
Very good.
That's my name.
Opo.
I named Banana Bowl.
Oo. Asan na yung mami niyan?
I can see a mommy.
Yes.
There's a mommy. It's hanging with the fish.
Opo.
Hey.
Very good.
Sorry. Sorry, mommy.
Oh, you put mo na yan.
Okay. Now let's put the S on.
Very good. Oh, this one.
Now what is that?
Oh, what letter? Like this one. What letter is this? Ruler?
Where is?
Oh,
It's for you.
it's R.
I.
Oh, asan yung R dyan sa mommy letters? R. Oh, look mo yan. Makamukha niya daw. Oh, R. 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 Yes.
I see it, Mom.
You see it one. What letter is this?
That one.
Y.
Why?
Asan yung mommy ni Y? Yan. Very good.
Don't walk.
Mm.
Yeah, you're not brown, please.
Yes.
You are a brown there.
This one. What letter is this?
That's my name.
Yes. Oh, ano yan? Anong mommy niya?
That's E.
Very good. Oh, lagay mo. Asan yung mommy niya muna? Asan ang mommy letter? Yes.
I'm crushed.
Yes.
I'm crushed. My kiwi is very hungry. Good. Yeah.
Very good. This letter is
K.
okay. Asan ang mommy ni Kay? Yes, bilis oh.
So many.
Opo.
What's that?
Ah.
What? Asti?
Lagay mo na siya.
Okay. Where's K? Where is
Very good.
this? This is brown.
This one. What letter is this?
Oh.
Oh, asan ang mommy O? Very
I
good.
crushed.
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna come for reasons.
Oh, lagay mo na nga. Asan na yung mommy ni O? Yes.
This one. This one. This one. This one. This one.
Oh, next. What is this letter?
Oh, it's gray. This is gray.
What letter? H.
H.
Oh, asan si mommy H? Very good.
That's Mommy H.
Yes.
The full name is Mom.
Oh, asan si mommy? Dikit mo na siya. Nahanap na siya ni mommy. Yes.
This is gray.
Opo. Oh, this one? What is this?
It's pink. See?
Very good.
I got it right.
Go. Lagay mo na siya.
I go pink.
This one.
That's my
Alam mo na to,
You can see it right.
Opo.
That's my dress color pink.
Yes.
The blue is for that.
What letter is that? B.
B.
O, asan ang B? Mommy B. Very
I'm
good.
checking the code.
Mm.
Mommy, what is that?
O, asan yung mommy niya? What letter is that?
B.
B.
Is that my name?
Opo. Oh, this one.
Oh. M.
Very good.
That's your picture, M.
O, asan si mommy M? Very good. Oh. Very good. Here. What letter is this?
Oh, what's that? Tough one. Umbrella's here.
Yes.
That's me with a P.
Oh, what letter is that?
Boy.
J.
Yay.
Oh, asan ang mommy J?
Um,
Very good. Oh.
this one?
Next.
Ouchie.
What letter?
Number.
No, that's not number. It's letter.
Water.
Oh. L, A, or G?
L.
No, it's G.
G.
Oh, go. Put mo na.
Try again.
Oh. L, A, or G?
G.
Very good. Madaya.
I got it wrong.
You got it wrong eh.
Yeah. Please stickers.
Put mo na siya.
Okay.
Sa mami niya. O, tingnan mo kung tama yung pagkakalagay.
6.
Yes. No. It's G. That's not it's letter.
That's what.
This one. What letter is this?
P. Oh, it's mine. Where's water? Oh, it's N.
L,
This
yes.
one is mommy. That's a mommy L.
Very good.
I think we'll finish.
Lapit ka na, isa na lang to.
Wait.